Hey everyone, it's Aaron with Skid Steer Solutions. Today I'm introducing you to the new and improved EX-30 excavator flail mower from Eterra. The EX-30 version 2 has a 30-inch cutting width, built to fit on excavators weighing 7,000 to 14,000 pounds, with an average flow of 8 to 26 gallons per minute. We can assure you, the EX-30 version 2 is the perfect match for your machine. With a blade life expectancy of up to 500 hours under normal conditions, you can trust the EX-30 to get the job done. And don't worry about downtime. Additional blades and parts are readily available. The optional add-ons like the thumb saddle and chain guard makes your EX-30 version 2 even more adaptable to your needs. The great thing is, installation is a breeze with the new rail mounting system. It features a stronger mount design with reinforced housing for improved performance and efficiency. Thank you all for watching. Please let us know in the comment section how you think our EX-30 version 2 flail mower did. For questions, please reach out to our sales team or visit us online at skidsteersolutions.com. Thank you.